Hello everyone, welcome to Fact Maniac. As in my Black Adam video I said that we'll be talking about the Justice Society of America, so today here we are. In this video we'll be talking about all the members of the Justice Society of America, so let us begin. So first we'll be talking about Dr. Fate. Dr. Fate is the founder of Justice Society of America. Dr. Fate is not one person, it is a title, and this title is adopted by the person who wears the helmet of fate. Now let us talk about the origin of Dr. Fate. Once an archaeologist went to an Egyptian pyramid with his son where they both got separated, and that child accidentally opened up a coffin. From that coffin emerged Nabu. Nabu told that child that he is an alien who has locked himself in this human form and has put himself to sleep, and now it is time to rise and shine. To child's request of finding his father, Nabu helps him to find his father, and his father was dead, caught up in one of the traps of the pyramid. To compensate the loss, Nabu promises that child to teach him about sorcery and told him about the secrets of this universe. Then for the next 20 years, Nabu teaches him all the stuff, and when his training is finally over, he hands him the helmet of fate, amulet of Anubis, and the cloak of destiny. These three things combined form the complete Dr. Fate. After having the helmet, the child became the very first Dr. Fate and was able to use full extent of Nabu's powers. After Nabu's death, Nabu stored his spirit in the helmet of fate so that he could guide the new recruits. So next we'll be talking about his Atom Smasher. Atom Smasher is a meta-human with the ability to control the atoms of his body. He can grow to enormous sizes, like Ant-Man, but he cannot shrink like Ant-Man. He can also change the density of his body, which makes his body impenetrable. He got his meta-human ability from his grandfather Cyclotron. Maybe in Black Adam movie, we'll see the great friendship between Black Adam and Atom Smasher as it is shown in the comics. So next we'll be talking about is Hawkman. There are two versions of Hawkman in DC Comics. One is of Egyptian origin and the other is an alien from planet Thanagar. In Egyptian origin, his name was Prince Khufu. He and his fiancée were killed by their Wazir Vandal Savage, and the same night, an asteroid hit their palace, which gave Vandal Savage the power of immortality, and to the prince and his fiancée the power of Hawkman and Hawkgirl, with two other weird powers. One power was that whenever they died, they will get reincarnated regardless the number of times they die, and the other power is of blessing. If they bless someone, then it will definitely come true. Their blessing is like boon to others. In the alien origin of Hawkman, they are super strong aliens who are from a planet named Thanagar. They stayed on Earth to fight evil and learned about the culture of humans. In this origin, they have wings made of some rare element that defies gravity. At last, we'll be talking about Cyclone. She is the newest member of the DC Comics, introduced in February 2020. Her powers are still unknown, but as her name suggests, she may have powers of levitation, that is flying, and maybe she would be able to control storm or weather just like X-Men Storm. So we'll see her actual powers in Black Adam movie. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed our video, then please like it. Thank you for watching.